there's a connecting in and a recognition that I am a part of this whole beautiful existence, you know. And with that becomes there's a certain glow that internalizes, right, with the light, with the vibration.
Engaging and listening and being present with the earth is a natural place to awaken the heart and to really heal the heart and find alignment with love.
There's a tuning into the light and the vibration of a place. And even now, as I'm talking about it, I feel my body just wanting to, you know, take a deep breath and sigh and settle into itself. And that's a really, really important part of the process.
The wonderful, beautiful thing about Earth is our relationship is whatever we're feeling and whatever we're experiencing is beautiful and important and impactful on our Earth, and we don't have to hide or hold back what we're experiencing. If it's something hard and heavy, it can be composted, and if it's something joyful, it will be fed. So everything is feeding the earth. So every step we take is in this relationship that feeds and fuels us, and also feeds and fuels the earth.
We're all imprinting something energetically on the earth by being here. We all came here for a reason, and I believe we chose to be here during these times, and these are really difficult times, and they're also really amazing times. And to be on earth at this time, to find ways to connect in a way that energetically leaves a vibrational imprint for those to come.
Remembering that we're connected and remembering that we're all one is just so deeply needed, because when we connect in that place, when we align with oneness, then it's all of us together.
I want to perpetuate this, like connecting with this beautiful planet, singing to it, listening to it, hearing it, and in this relationship, making choices based on that wisdom. Why else are we here? Why else are we here?